Hello and welcome back. We're continuing on in the book. Before we get started, just a quick reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 282. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 5 here and a 2 here, so this is our 3. 5 here, so 2, 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 covering these two boxes, so our 6 must be here. 9 here makes this our 1, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 2, no help here, 1, 2, 9, and no help here, 1, 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here. So 9, 3. For this column, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. And with that 9, we can get rid of this 9. And that means the only place the 9 can be in this box is here. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 7 covering here and a 7 covering here, so our 7 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 1, 2, 1, 2. If we look at this row, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. And for this row, we're missing 1 and 2. I don't see any help, so 1, 2. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 4. And no help here, 1, 2, 4. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got a 6 covering both of these boxes and a 2 here. So this is 1, 2, and 6. For this row now, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here. So this is our 3. 1 here, so 9, 1. For this box now, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got 6 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 6 here, so 8, 6. This 1 makes this our 2, 1. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. That 4 makes this our 2, 1, 2, 1, 4. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. And for this box, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.